As a dairy farmer, your top priority is the health and well-being of your cows, ensuring they live in the best possible conditions. But maintaining a clean barn floor takes time and effort. And let's face it, it's not the most satisfying job. The Discovery Scraper is an autonomous manure robot designed to clean your barn floor around the clock, reducing your workload and supporting healthier cows. This is how it works. The robot scrapes manure through the slats of the barn floor, keeping the barn floor cleaner, resulting in cleaner hooves, tails, and cubicles, which leads to cleaner udders and possibly fewer infections. With its sensing wheel and compact design, the robot effortlessly moves through tight spaces with minimal disturbance to your cows, easily passing under sorting gates, through cross alleys, along the cubicles, and in the waiting area in front of the milking robot. With the Lely control app, you can adjust the routes and manage the route planning, allowing you to easily adapt it to your daily routine and to the natural rhythm of your cows. Whether it's cleaning during feeding time or while your cows are ruminating, the Discovery Scraper quietly performs its tasks without disrupting cow traffic. The Discovery Scraper is designed to fit seamlessly into any barn layout. Its charging and optional water filling stations are conveniently placed along the side of an alley, maximizing available space on your barn floor. Operating around the clock, it completes its routes, then returns to the compact stations to recharge and refill with water. The Discovery Scraper. Clean barns, healthy cows. Lely. Bright farming is yours by choice.